What's up, everybody? Mr. Pauline is back in the kitchen once again. Today, we're having New Mexico enchiladas, flat stacks. We're gonna use New Mexico's Young Guns Hatch Valley Chili, red chili sauce. And this says it's the hot stuff. So we're gonna try this one today. We've never tried this before. Sometimes we make our own, sometimes we buy the can and kind of doctor it up. This time we're gonna try this one today and we're gonna see what it tastes like. But first things first, we've gotta make Spanish rice. So I'm going to get, there's only 3 of us eating today, so half a cup of rice is all we need. We need the smaller can tomato sauce. We already have this warming up a bit, so we're gonna go ahead and drop a tablespoon of some oil. We're gonna get that going. Today we're using chicken broth. I got the chicken ready we're gonna use for the enchiladas. So I'm just gonna use a cup of that for this rice. I'm gonna chop up some onion, cilantro, get it ready for this rice. Get a spoon ready. Let's see, where is the spoon at? Right here. Dry it off real quick. This will be an easy dinner, delicious. These are the corn tortillas we'll be using today. And I'll be shredding some cheese. We don't need that much onion for this one, but I might cut a little bit more to top off our enchiladas. Chop them finely. A fine chop will do just nice. When the rice gets a little more brown, we will add this in there. Let's do a little bit more. This will be a good dish. You can top it off with some sour cream. Any kind of green lettuce that you have, you can throw on top as well. You don't have to use any chicken, you can use cheese. Just want that to brown up really nice there. Okay, next we'll get some cilantro cut up. It's over here on this side. We'll save this. Just gonna chop up a little bit. Should be enough. We might use some of that for topping off. I'm not sure yet. We don't have lettuce. That nice and brown there. And I gotta do some cheese shredding. Okay. Yep. Looking good. Looking good. We just want that to brown up. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes. You can see we're much browner now. We don't need much more. We're gonna go ahead and drop in the cilantro. Give it a good mix. Let it get wilty a bit. That'll bring out some of the flavor and fragrance that water up. Look at that. Look how nice that looks. You could put some tomato slices in there if you'd like. We're gonna already use the tomato and chicken bouillon, so that'll give us enough tomato flavor. Plus, we're gonna use the 8-ounce can of the tomato sauce. And I think we're ready for it now. So I got my 1/2. And then just quite a bit more that didn't reach the top. Just like that. 1 cup of chicken broth there. Just, you have to pour into taste, but you don't put, I put about a tablespoon. That's hard to see. There's about a tablespoon. I put some garlic powder, pepper, then add the tomato sauce. You think I'd be adding a full can, but no, that took forever. Stir it real good. It smells really good. All right. That is good. I'm gonna add. So in the meantime, while you're waiting for the rice to be done, go ahead and start shredding your chicken and shredding that cheese. Okay, so we have the rice done. Tastes good. Ready. Got the oil heating up. We got the chili sauce heating up. Okay, so I got a paper towel and some extra paper towels. So we're just gonna go ahead and, oh yeah, nice and ready. Doesn't take long. Get it out of there.